Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video will watch the best manual cheese rotary grater with over 11,962 customer reviews and brand Ourokhome. The features of Ourokhome rotary cheese grater. Save your time and labor. 360-degree blades cut foods all the time. Shaking one circle equals cutting 12 times. 3 different blades. Meet your different needs. Safe to use. No need for electricity, no contact with blade when you use. Even the child can use it. Easy to use. No skill involved, no strength required, and no complicated steps to learn. Ourokhome manual cheese rotary grater, round mandoline slicer shredder with 3 inner adjustable blades. Free your hands. The rotary cheese grater takes care of your hands by keeping them away from the blades when used, thanks to the food pusher. Multi-function mandoline slicer. The vegetable slicer is great for cheese, vegetables, potatoes, nuts, onions for coleslaw, hash browns, salad, pizza toppings, and more. High-efficient hand food processor. With our cheese shredder grater, you can get food preparation more efficiently with minimum effort. 360-degree blades cut foods all the time when you crank the handle. Humanity-designed rotary grater. A strong suction base grips securely to the clean and smooth countertop for effortless chopping. 3 drum blades meet your different needs. Space-saving and easy clean cheese slicer. Performs the tasks of multiple kitchen tools in one. This cheese grater takes up a little cupboard and bench space. The food shredder slicer is easy to be disassembled for easy cleaning. You can clean it under running water. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. Also, if you like my video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.